Right, we have three problems here, and they're all to do with a jar of marbles, different colored marbles, and we're talking about the odds and then a probability at the end. So let's just work through each of these. So the first one, we're asked what are the odds of coming up with a white marble here. So we think about definition of odds, and what we're doing is we're saying possibilities that it's white versus the possibilities that it's non-white. And so we take a look and we have 7 white, and what we have to do is we have to establish how many non-white here. So we have 12 green, 4 blue, 15 yellow. So we can add all those up, 12 plus 4 plus 15, and we have 31. And so there's our odds. All right, so let's jump to B. What are the odds of choosing a color other than yellow? So in this case, we're looking for something other than yellow, so we could say we're looking for non-yellow. And from an odds definition, we'd say non-yellow as a ratio to those that are yellow. And so we are basically set out to figure out this ratio. So the non-yellows, well, that would be the 12 greens, the 4 blues, and the 7 whites. And then the yellows, of course, would just be our 15 yellows. So we add everything up on the left, the non-yellows, and we end up with 23 and 15 on the right. Okay, so on to C. Let's give ourselves a little room here. What is the probability of choosing a color other than yellow? All right, so probability, again, a little different than odds. We'd say probability that it's not yellow. And in this case, what we're doing is we're saying, well, what are all the non-yellows available? Now, we already added that up in the previous question, part B, and we came up with 23. Oops, 23. And remember, probability, on the bottom, we want the total. So on the bottom, we're going to want all of the marbles. So 12 plus 4 plus 15 plus 7. And so we can figure that all out. We have 23 on the top and add all those up on the bottom. And we end up with 38 on the bottom as the total. So there would be our probability. And we're all done.